A smart kitchen family hub can transform a big family house by centralizing shopping, recipes, and schedules into one accessible command center. Start by choosing a durable wall-mounted tablet or smart display placed at the primary traffic hub of the kitchen 5 feet high for easy viewing and reachable by adults. Integrate an inventory system that links to the refrigerator using barcode scanning or manual input and set threshold notifications to trigger when staples fall below desired levels. Use a simple naming convention like pantry cereal to avoid duplicate entries. Connect recipes to the hub by importing from trusted sources in standardized formats so ingredients auto-check against inventory and generate a consolidated shopping list you can email or text to a family member. Use recipe timers that send start and end alerts to the display and to individual phones so multiple dishes coordinate without overcooking. Program oven presets to accept timer inputs from the hub for ambient preheat and staged cooking. Sync a shared family calendar with meal plans and responsibilities and color code entries by family member so everyone knows who is picking up groceries or who is on dish duty. Secure the network with a guest Wi-Fi for visitors and enable two-factor authentication on accounts to keep meal and scheduling data private for the household. Common mistakes include overcomplicating the inventory with too many categories, which leads to abandonment. Keep categories broad and use consistent naming to make scanning and searching simple. Another issue is failing to train family members, which causes low adoption. Spend 10 minutes walking everyone through adding items, setting timers, and checking the calendar until they can do it once without help. People often skip backups and lose data when devices fail. Schedule automatic cloud backups and export your shopping lists and calendar to a shared email weekly so nothing critical is lost. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find trusted local contractors and contractors find relevant jobs for kitchen hub and large family house projects. We host an active discussion community where we and other members share tips, product experiences, and contractor recommendations to support your smart kitchen build.